Also, Oga, whether you only return say 2 mm.
Yes.
Now you to dey do your work.
Yes.
And you will still take me near to get to me and knock whether not in. And number 2.
Yes.
I don't come across this gate.
Yes.
Before.
Yes.
So get waiting the owner say me help and do for the gate. As we dey push on, all this design, your break back.
Okay.
Waiting the cost Oga.
Okay. Let's go. You know, say first gate where I do for this gate. Now I take introduce this laser cut.
Okay, laser. Now they call laser
this
cut.
One a laser cut. Other one they will be cast.
Okay.
So that cast now they break. This one a laser cut. This one a still laser cut. This one you feel move on.
Yes, sir, you better. You go see go.
If you move that cast now, you go break.
Wow.
So all this one are iron spice. So all this one are iron. Now all these things, this one are wrought iron. You see the flower.
Iron. Flower there inside.
Yes, you see this flower. And this pipe now is 2 mm.
Okay.
The difference is just like they go groove this one now. Okay. All this design can enter.
Yes.
Now make we they call her wrought iron.
Okay, wrought iron.
Yes. Now see the same standard of 2 mm.
My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is 24th January 2025. For today, for location one day, I come monitor installation of rolling gate and fence screen. We want to have your friend to talk show, give Oga weather, make it do for years. Now come monitor for today. In front of me, now the Oga weather we do the job like with this. Oga, good afternoon.
My people, now well done, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when they watch this video. My people, on a happy new year, because I keep thanking you people. Without you people not gonna say as I dey do all this kind of work. When a person will give person work, say me you showcase your handwork. So I dey thank them, because if not be them, when they give me all this kind, these are heavy gate, yes. Laser and wrought iron gate. So now it be this one. Okay. So my people, now happy new year.
Me come talk to you. So my name is Sabunya. What is your name?
My name is Robosa Binago.
Okay. What are the installation of rolling gate and fence trainer the year for today? Before you take me the round the work. Oga, whether wait to go let our view on patronize you through this our shine, particularly you want to give you this rolling gate.
Give me this work. They are really nice people.
Okay.
So I thank them. Okay. So I come here, come take quotation. So as I submit quotation, so they say grant the contract, say me I go ahead. So and today now we install this gate now.
Okay.
You can see say the people who install now, we do the cast, they don't come out. So now today we just install them. Okay. So this kind of rolling gate, I get explanation where I want to tell my people. Okay. Because you see this gate now, if you give me this gate, this pillar here, if you want to tie you call us, okay, can't tie the pillar. You know the inside this gate money. Okay. Maybe from our place to here, now transport, now we take on. So they will still give us daily work. And that daily work now we will take do transport. And this kind of pillar now, it require bricklayer, carpenter. So what we do the gate now, you buy 4 rod for this pillar. The other 4 rod for this beam where the tire the rope pass. Okay,
for the beam where they under of the tire.
Where they there. Then the angle bar where they dey on top, now me they bring them.
Okay.
So that one, the day where they tie this gate, capital bricklayer, the day side, the way they tie the pillar. Then the day where we still bring this gate, they come. Capital bricklayer go still day. Okay. So now they do the. I know say this thing they cause most confusion. Because say now you do the gate, call bring, now you go bring everything. I say no, that will not be our duty. Okay. So if they still need us, say man, but we just take charge of everything. Okay, we see if we take charge. We just do one.
Okay. So now the explanation when you talk so.
Yes.
Concerning this tying of this pillar.
Yes.
Okay. So before you come here, you want me big lady, the capital day. Yes. So you go to let them know. Yes. As I want to position in case of you carry your gate they come.
Yes.
Okay. May our viewers say here down. Also, Oga, whether you only return say 2 mm. Yes. Now you to do your work.
Yes.
And you will still take me near the gate to me and knock whether not in. And number 2.
Yes.
I don't come across this gate.
Yes.
Before.
Yes.
So get wetin the owner say me help am do for the gate. As we dey push am, all this design your break back.
Okay.
Wetin dey cause oga?
Okay, let's go. You know, say first gate wey I do for this gate. Now I take introduce this laser cut.
Okay, laser. Now they call laser
this
cut.
One a laser cut. Other one they will be cast.
Okay.
So that cast now in the break. This one a laser cut. This one a still laser cut. This one you feel move on.
Yes, sir, you better. You go see go.
If you move that cast now, you go break.
Wow.
So all this one are iron spice. So all this one are iron. Now all these things, this one are wrought iron. You see the flower.
Iron. Flower there inside.
Yes, you see this flower. And this pipe now is still 2 mm.
Okay.
The difference is just like they go groove this one now. Okay. All this design can enter.
Yes.
Now I make with the color wrought iron.
Okay, wrought iron.
Yes. Now see the same standard of 2 mm.
Okay.
Then this one I see wrought iron rod.
Okay, wrought iron rod.
Because this side, this gate, where I don't do this gate. If I quote for the fence tree, they not they give me.
Okay.
Why? Because this gate, this fence tree, they very expensive.
Okay.
If you look this fence tree now, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this other small one.
Okay.
So this fence tree now, this one are 3 block. 3 block now, it will give you this design.
Okay.
Then if you be 4 block, we will bring this design with the here. Because waiting there and not let us introduce all these things. You understand? Because of the height.
Okay.
Not too high. If you complete 4 block, you see this.
Okay, this design go day.
We all did there.
Okay.
And this design come here is very expensive.
Okay.
And you see now, say this crown with the on top.
Couple crown, yes.
This crown. Now the owner just require say he need these 2 crown for all the fence tray.
Okay.
So now we still tell her the money.
Okay.
Now he pay us. Because normally we dey put this iron spice on top.
Okay, this spice will be like arrow there.
Yes. That one iron, not the one where they break.
Okay, that's the break.
No, not the break. Suppose I break my arm and not the break.
Okay.
All this one not be cast. Cast spice there.
Okay.
Iron spice there. By the time they introduce this iron spice to all your work, if you submit quotation, nobody go they give you.
That means they not figure because the money go high. Okay.
They not give you. They say other spice again. What they put on top will be laser cut. That one still different. That one not still the break. That one still sharp.
Okay.
The guy that one still be. I don't put on for one work where I do.
Yes.
Maybe one of these days, get all that work where they do. We'll go record and make them still see that spice.
Okay.
All those one not this break. The other one will be cast. Now that one they break.
Okay.
So
okay, you know what you do before we come back here, we'll see
the fence string.
The fence string.
Okay.
You can't get this thing for up.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, we'll go back there. Now, cast wait on where the one where they tell you about before you carry me come here. Okay. So now cast that they do that one. When you make them break.
Wait.
Okay.
Because what
so
I will do whenever you come my store, then I will bring everything down.
Okay.
Then I will show people say see iron, see cast, see this one. So this one they break. If you want to do work, you need this one. We'll give you this one price. If you want to do this one, we'll give you this one price. Okay. But all our work is strictly 2 mm.
Okay.
Then out of all these gates, burglary, I know they do other material. Then if you reach tank standing,
yes, I
know they do galvanize.
Okay, no, they work with galvanize.
I know they do galvanize. I know they do new steel pipe. So it reach like 3 steel pipe. We come away steel pipe high. So I know they do all those ones. Maybe one of these days, I go buy all those things. They use it until they show people. Okay. Say see. In case if you give other person say go check work, you know the kind of thing we want to do. But you not like say if I give you quotation, because most people if I drop quotation they not call me back because at times they say okay bring quotation. You see this kind of fence now. just imagine the person go say go measure my house.
Yes.
Now 200 feet like this. By the time you bring this price for this fence, it go dey escalate.
Okay, this spices material.
This fence tree. If you dey like 200 length like this,
yes.
if you drop the price, this gate money will come small when deep.
Okay, the fence tree will come cost because of the material we take.
Yes.
As you talk, so our viewers the year which you talk because price of all these casts and how you call this one whether laser cut and it's different. Now this one you know the break cast the break as I tell you because I ask you questions you get where we go. You understand my weapon and push the gate and go meet the something you make back.
It go break.
Oh, okay.
And there's other design where they cast.
Yes.
Then we take come out for this laser cut. It go dey little bit far from each other. Okay. So if person give you that kind of work now, you can't go bring this laser cut in. Maybe the cast where they bring, you know, you go cause say the work where you send give you not being. Okay. You understand? Yes. So if I want work now, I mean they ask people say, wait till I take do one. May I use this laser cut? May I take do one or you need cast? Okay. Okay. Now you tell them like that. I take bring and come because some kind of design like this kind of one now. This designer they laser cut. It they cast. It's almost the same. It's the same thing. Okay. So some design they will they laser cut. Yes. For cast, it go they fast more. Okay. You understand? Okay. So make a touch and also na 2 mm you already talk. Yeah. So now my hand I want in a castle. Yeah. Now you know. Wow. Yeah. So this rolling game we do yes. So I don't say you spray them with the black and gold. I hope you read the meter after 6 months, you not go change color. Down on that thing. This one auto base. Okay, auto base. Auto base. For that black. For this gold. Okay. This black. Now just gloss. Okay, gloss. Wow. This one gloss. This one auto base. So you know if this get day like this, it go still last. Okay. But our weather, you know, they permit all this paint. It just be like when you bring motor from abroad now. Yes. You can't look some go be like say the color can't they burn. And because of our weather, but this one go last. Okay. So whenever the gate see the one still the door, the first you see spray again. Okay, do you know? Maybe a year, 1 year, you see spray. Yeah. May see in new one. Yes. Because of water the meter, you know. And one other thing I want to talk, you see all these gates, so there's some kind of gate. You go there like this, stainless pan go come dey back, and the stainless pan dey shine. It go be like mirror. Yes. They're not the spray. So that kind of work that they give me, I dey always say, if I do that work now, if you don't do for maintenance, yes, that pan where they the back not go let you spray again. That's stainless pan. No, they agree with all this one. Okay. You know they take paint because I dey explain that to people. They don't understand what you talk. Understand what they talk about. Okay. But once you do that kind of gate with stainless day now, when it's due for maintenance, all this pan now, when it be stainless, you pull and come out again. That money. You can still restore all that one. And that stainless again. Better you go for this kind this one. I like to do say get some kind of pan we see they will get flower design. But all those ones you let's say no can they reflect like mirror. Okay. But if you still use paint, you will see fine. You see this one and the black they shine as it all. So whether like how much cost do you want for this rolling gate? I know say na different amount to do this first row. More I hear from this gate. This one at January now. Yes. 25. This one when I did one last year now 1.2, but this time now 1.3. Okay, like last year 1.2. This year now as everything else go up 1.3. Okay, the first ring, each one you take it for being once your each one. You see all this fence now is almost the same thing. Yes, almost the same. Only this one be small. All different. This one will be small one. So now 50,000 now the charge. You know why 50,000? You see this pipe now. If you buy it now, then if you cut it, it will remain. But you know we'll see half pipe. Yes. So now that full length you still buy. You see this one. The one way you still buy. Now you still buy it. Okay. So now you make this one. Then this one now. If I do this one without crown, now 200 I take it down. Okay, 200. When the crown come there, I will do 220. Okay, 220. Then if you be, I get the one 4 blocks. 4 blocks. That one they workshop, they want carry and travel. Okay. So the person will get that gate. I bring measurement, I bring everything.
Okay.
So I just do one for her. Now they bring motor.
Okay, we will call Karen.
If you want to call Karen, once you prepare, I'll still call you. You do
Okay.
the video so that may I tell people say, okay, anybody will get work for travel. So see how we take it one. So we go see this because where that they go for Calabar. So now the woman.
Okay.
I just take charge for the transport. Once we just ready now, they tell me say they come. Then I'll call you, maybe we can do the video.
Okay.
So that one.
Which one for all this one are 2220?
Yes, 2220 for all those one.
Okay, for all this one because of the design when they up there.
Yes.
Okay, my people, now don't hear. Okay, well, that don't explain because some of the job when you do for this house. So, okay, you will call your phone number. Now we have to reach you.
My number is 080 233 97 556.
Another one day?
No.
Okay, this one I take the WhatsApp.
Yes.
And direct call.
Yes.
My people are great enough for example to watch this video.